Installing new windows in your home can significantly improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase property value. However, for homeowners in West Valley City, ensuring a successful window installation isn't as straightforward as it may seem. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or working with a professional, avoiding common mistakes can save you money, time, and headaches down the road. Here are some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make when installing new windows is overlooking energy efficiency. West Valley City's climate can vary significantly throughout the year, with cold winters and hot summers. Investing in windows with proper energy ratings, such as those certified by Energy Star, can save you on energy bills by providing better insulation and reducing heat transfer. Solution: look for windows with low emissivity coatings, double or triple glazing, and gas-filled panes. Ensure the product's U-factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, are suitable for West Valley City's climate to maximize comfort and energy savings. Improper measurements. Even the best windows won't perform well if they don't fit properly. Poor measurements can lead to gaps that allow drafts, water leaks, and even pests into your home. This mistake can result in wasted money, as improperly measured windows often need to be replaced or adjusted, causing project delays. Solution: double-check your measurements before ordering your windows. Measure the width and height at multiple points, top, middle, and bottom, accounting for any uneven spots. For a more precise fit, consider hiring a professional to handle the measurements. Neglecting building codes and permits. Another frequent oversight is not adhering to local building codes and obtaining the necessary permits for window replacement projects. West Valley City has specific regulations that homeowners must follow to ensure installations meet safety and energy standards. Solution: before starting your project, check with the local building department to understand what permits you may need. If you're working with a contractor, they should be familiar with the requirements and handle this step for you. Poor sealing and caulking. Windows that are not properly sealed can allow drafts, moisture, and noise to enter your home. Improper sealing can also lead to increased energy costs and, over time, structural damage due to water infiltration. Solution: use high-quality caulk and weather-stripping materials to seal the windows thoroughly. Apply caulk evenly around the perimeter of the frame, ensuring no gaps or air pockets. It's also essential to use products designed for exterior applications and that can withstand West Valley City's weather conditions. Overlooking window orientation and placement. The direction your windows face can impact your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Placing windows without consideration for sun exposure can lead to increased heating and cooling costs. Solution: Take the time to plan your window placement with sun orientation in mind. South-facing windows can maximize winter solar gain, while east and west-facing windows should include shading features to reduce excessive heat during the summer. Using inferior quality products. Opting for the cheapest windows may seem like a good way to save money upfront, but it can end up costing you more in the long run. Poor quality windows are less durable, require more maintenance, and may not provide adequate insulation. Solution: invest in high-quality windows from reputable manufacturers. Quality windows may have a higher initial cost but offer long-term benefits, including better durability, improved energy efficiency, and reduced maintenance needs. DIY installation without proper expertise. Installing windows may appear to be a straightforward DIY project, but it can quickly become complex. Mistakes during installation can lead to significant issues, such as water leaks, poor insulation, and structural damage. Solution: consider hiring a professional window installer with experience in West Valley City's climate and building requirements. A professional can ensure your windows are installed correctly, providing peace of mind and a more efficient result. Failing to inspect existing structures. Many homeowners assume their existing window frames and structures are in perfect condition. Overlooking structural issues like rot, mold, or damage can compromise the integrity of the new windows. Solution: before installation, thoroughly inspect your window openings for any signs of damage. Repair any issues before installing new windows to avoid future complications. Conclusion: avoiding these common mistakes when installing windows in West Valley City can lead to better energy efficiency, lower utility bills, and improved home comfort. Whether you choose to DIY or work with a professional, careful planning, high-quality products, and attention to detail are key to a successful window installation project.